Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing the concept of ISD under GST. An input service distributor ISD is a business, which receives invoices for services used by its branches. It distributes the tax paid to such branches on a proportional basis, in the ratio of the turnover of all such recipients that are operational during the year. By issuing an ISD invoice, the branches can have different GSTs but must have the same PAN as that of ISD. Situations where ISD is not applicable. ISD cannot distribute the input tax credit paid on inputs, raw materials, capital goods machine purchased to outsourced manufacturers or service providers. Example 1 Head Office Bangalore, ISD, incurred annual software exp. On behalf of all its branches namely, Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai and receive the invoice for the same. Since software is used by all its branches, the input tax credit of entire services cannot be claimed at Bangalore. The ITC has to be distributed to all the three locations on a proportionate basis in the ratio of the turnover of all such recipients that are operational during the year. Recovery of excess credit distributed by ISD to recipients. Provisions of demand and recovery gets attracted as if the tax was not paid, in a situation when excess credit has been distributed to any recipient. Recovery of the excess credit distributed along with interest shall be initiated against the recipient and not the ISD. Registration. Input service distributor has to compulsorily register as ISD apart from its registration as a normal taxpayer under the Act. Only then he shall be able to distribute the credit to the recipients. Invoicing. ISD can distribute the amount of tax credit to recipients by issuing an ISD invoice. Distribution of ITC. The credit of tax paid under reverse charge mechanism is not available for distribution to the recipients. So, the ISD has to utilize such credit only as a normal taxpayer. ITC available in a month must be distributed in the same month. So, deferment of the credit distribution is not allowed. Credit attributable to a recipient is distributed even if such recipient is unregistered or making exempt supplies. Returns. Amount of tax credit distributed should not exceed the amount of tax credit available with the ISD as at the end of a relevant month to be filed in GSTR 6/13 of the succeeding month by ISD. The recipient of the tax credit can view the tax credit so distributed by ISD in GSTR 2A that is auto-populated and in turn can claim the same by filing GSTR 2. ISD need not file annual returns. So, that is all for this topic. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button and click the bell icon. For personalized queries, you may reach out to us at info@bncglobal.in.